Hey everybody, I'm Jason Arnone, a career advisor at the RISD Career Center. This tutorial will be focusing on how to create your demo reel. Our agenda will be to define what a demo reel is, how to find inspiration, determining what to show in your reel, and finally, presentation considerations. As a reminder, our website is an excellent reference for your career pursuits, including a primer on demo reels. Go to careercenter.risd.edu to learn more. So what is a demo reel? I have an example playing here by RISD alum Danny Kang. A reel is a compilation of video excerpts from your best work, usually 1 to 2 minutes in duration. It demonstrates your capabilities as the term demo reel implies. Whether you're applying to a call for work at a gallery or submitting your application to a job, this asset will allow the viewer to evaluate you as a candidate with accuracy. Keep in mind that an individual film or animation project is not a reel, and recorded documentation of a sculpture or installation is also not a reel. Your reel will serve as a companion to your resume or CV and your cover letter if one is requested. You can learn more about these deliverables on our website and in other tutorial recordings. Like any project, it's helpful to look for inspiration when you're starting out. Look closely at the studios or artists that you admire, including your fellow alumni. Here we see footage from Zen Ajore, another RISD alum. Try reaching out to them for insights and support. Follow publications such as Stash TV, featuring award-winning animation and live action work. Look up the studio or artist online to learn more about their work and to get inspired by their own demo reel that you may be able to find on their own portfolio. Now more than ever, the fine art and commercial worlds are fast-paced and competitive. Animation directors and curators evaluate candidates quickly, so making a bold first impression and capturing the viewer's attention is crucial. To that end, think quality over quantity. It could be tempting to include more in a demo reel, but 1 to 2 minutes is the ideal duration. And if you decide to go with a longer reel, just understand that the viewer may not make it past 1 or 2 minutes. So if there's anything that can't be missed, it should be within that window. Some artists have more than one career direction, so a customized demo reel built to suit the unique requirements of each career path should be utilized. Some artists may have a motion graphics reel for commercial work and a stop motion reel for fine art opportunities. Only show the work you want to do and not necessarily what you know how to do, but aren't passionate about. This principle also applies to curating a portfolio. And speaking of portfolios, documenting your process and supporting work for your motion projects in a portfolio can add a deeper dimension to appreciating your demo reel. Now let's consider how your reel is presented. Display a title card at the start and end of your reel featuring your name, title, as you would refer to yourself professionally, contact info, including a portfolio URL. Have you heard of a demo reel breakdown? It's useful for viewers to read background info on each of the video clips featured in your reel. So that can include notes such as the title of your project, the client or RISD course, software, camera info, and a URL to the full-length project. And to enhance your breakdown, display the number of the video clip near the edge of the screen. This way, someone sees clip number 2 on screen, they can pause and learn more by referring to number 2 in your breakdown. It should be no surprise that YouTube and Vimeo are great online platforms. And if you work in an industry with intellectual property limitations, consider hosting your reel on a password-protected platform such as Dropbox, Google Docs, or iCloud. We all find ourselves in between jobs from time to time, and daily creativity is essential to stay sharp and to demonstrate progress and growth to prospective employers or curators. See any downtime as an opportunity to learn new skills, techniques, or experiment in new art direction styles inspired by a studio or artist you wish to work with. Here are some ideas to consider for subject matter. Personal interest projects. Follow an inspiration such as a film, a favorite song, a new animation style outside of your comfort zone, anything like that. Pro bono. Help out a local group by producing a promotional video or animation. LinkedIn Learning. Active students have access to brush up on a wide variety of new skills, and there are many other continuing ed and online training programs to suit your needs. Art Challenge and forums. 11 Second Club is a great example of an open animation challenge with a thriving forum for critique. So here are some tips that we've learned over the years from our friends of the fine art and commercial world. Music soundtracks. They're very common in demo reels, yet they can be problematic. If the viewer dislikes your song selection, it could degrade their fondness of your work. This can be particularly important for a reel with corresponding audio, such as lip sync with dialogue. Working collaboratively is great experience and a common aspect of commercial work. However, be sure to define clearly what you are responsible for. And as I mentioned earlier in this tutorial, showing your creative process is important. And for that reason, you may consider embedding your reel in a portfolio website. This also gives you a persistent URL, which comes in handy as you make updates to your reel. Looking beyond your reel and consider the big picture. If you utilize Instagram in a professional manner, you can share work in progress, reference footage, and inspiration to engage with your followers and drive traffic to your portfolio and reel. LinkedIn is a great platform to build your professional network as you expand your reach to new artists, organizations, and studios you want to work with. And lastly, anytime you update your reel, it provides a new opportunity to inform your network and followers. This type of outreach will enhance your awareness and eligibility to new opportunities. Because remember, a network is worthless without persistent engagement. If you have questions about demo reels or anything else career-related, book an appointment with one of these friendly people in Artworks. And during the school year, we will host remote drop-ins every day from 11 to 1. Take good care of yourself, and thanks for watching.